Hey everybody, welcome back to Seasonings to Seasons. Well, y'all know I have a watermelon patch, an experimental watermelon patch that I was experimenting with the last couple of months. The seeds did germinate, it did grow, the vines did grow, but only three, maybe four watermelons attempted to grow, which is okay. This is my first time trying. So since the weather is supposed to be changing again tomorrow and get down into the 40s, highs maybe in the 50s, I don't think watermelon can survive cold weather nor cool weather. And this is going to be the second time within the last couple of weeks that the weather has gotten cool. And so I just think that this is time for me to just end my watermelon season and just start over with the next couple of months. Just start it over again. So I'm going to go out here and cut what I do have. Honey, they're small. It's probably like two mini ones, real small ones, and maybe another one that's trying to halfway grow. Either way, I'm going to cut them and we can look at them together and possibly cut them open just to see what they look like. Did they grow seeds inside? And maybe even taste them. So give me just a moment and we'll go out there and look at the watermelons. So if we look at the patch, you'll see a lot of brown leaves. And this is the cold damage that was done the last time, which is why I know this time around it's not going to last. Everything is just going to die out 100%. So let's just cut what we have and take it inside and explore and see what's going on with it. So the first little small one is, well, actually, we have this one, which is really small. We have this one right here, which is really small as well. And we have this one. And yes, y'all, I'm growing turnips here in this bed. And I'm growing rutabaga over here. And they are trying to grow, as you see right here. Oops. As you see right here, they're growing. And over here, the turnips are growing. So this bed needs to be utilized in another way besides trying to grow watermelon. And here's the larger one right here. Well, the larger one. Neither one of them are full grown. So let's get this cut and see what happens. Okay, here's one. Let's just wash it off. And this is hot water. I'm doing this with hot water and vinegar. And y'all, I told y'all the other two are just are mini. So we have the one that is this size, and the other two that are this size. Look how small that is. I'm kind of sad that I had to cut these. But the season, like I said, is changing, and I don't think that these are going to last in the cold. So I went ahead and just cut them. And then we have this one. Okay, are y'all ready to cut this open with me? Like I said, I'm sad that I have to end my watermelon season, but I think it's time. So let's go ahead and cut this one open just to see what it looks like. So basically, it just looks like a cucumber. And this one looks like a cucumber. Let's cut the next larger one. Y'all can't see me, but it looks like a cucumber as well. I'll taste it in just a second. All right, so that's what it looks like when it's not ripe. Let's cut this one open. Well, this is not ripe either. But it has seeds in it. Okay, so on this one, I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. Y'all, I know it's not ripe, but I went through the trouble of growing it. Let me just taste it just to see what it tastes like. Let's see. Smells like a watermelon. Tastes like water. Tastes like cucumber. So I'm not going to even bother tasting these because if the bigger one tastes like a cucumber, I'm pretty sure the small one tastes like a cucumber as well. So, okay, that concludes my watermelon experiment. The watermelon patch is over with. Time to grow something else, and I will start this session over for watermelons in a couple of months. Thank you for watching.